One of the rare times that I get to get out and explore. Check out the backdrop. I'm in the forest right now.
Hey guys, let's go down to the other water area. Come here. No, let's walk. Let's go down the tunnel a little bit. Walk up. Okay, let's go this way. Come on, guys. Stay with. Come on. Before you fall in. Oh, go. Go down here.
It's funny, but I need blessings to start flowing down to me as fast as this water is flowing down this rock wall. I need to be able to close my eyes in ecstasy the way that this planet lady is. With her hands out, her eyes closed, not a care in the world. See? I wish everybody came over here to take pictures of me. Pay attention to me. Stay focused on me. But damn, this is a nice view.